What is up, people of YouTube? Crypto Fighter here once again, bringing you another video. Something a little different this time. Never done like a reaction type video before, but figured I'd jump on the bandwagon, you know. Anyway, this video, if you haven't read the title, is about Savi's workshop in Walt Disney World, which I'm planning a trip to go to in late September, early October. Before this pandemic and everything happened, you know, it's been going great. Savi's workshop has been doing the hand built lightsaber experience slash show thing slash ceremony, and then they've been doing it since it opened. And I remember hearing about it before it even opened, and that's what really drawed my attention to go. That's what the main reason I wanted to go to this whole thing, with Universal Studios and their Wizarding World of Harry Potter, I've been twice, and the main reason I wanted to go both times was for a wand to choose me, and I actually got lucky enough to do that, which was an amazing experience. So this right here, being a Star Wars fan, is kind of like is equal to that experience for me. So that's the reason I've been wanting to go. If you don't know already, after this pandemic happened, when Walt Disney World reopened, Savi's workshop opened, but it's not the same. They're not doing this whole thing anymore. They're selling legacy lightsabers. Legacy lightsabers, if you don't already know, are lightsabers that are based off of the characters from Star Wars. So you'll be able to pick Darth Vader's, Obi-Wan's, Anakin's, Rey's, or whoever's lightsaber. Can't build your own, which sucks. So we're gonna go ahead and jump into this, see what it's like post epidemic, and see what's going on. So let's go ahead and start this. Now, I don't know if this video is from California or from Walt Disney World, but step one, you're gonna choose your saber. So see, you're walking into to Savi's workshop, and you just pick a saber now. These legacy lightsabers were previously at Doc Ondar's Den of Antiquities, I believe it's called. So this is how they're opening Savi's without it being the full experience, which sucks. It looks like he's looking at a Jedi Temple Guard lightsaber. These are cheaper, which is cool because they're pretty much, they're high quality. They're decent heavy sabers. But the thing that's weird about it is, even though they're cheaper, if you want the full saber, you're basically going to pay the same amount as you would for a custom one. Because I'm pretty sure, correct me if I'm wrong, I'm pretty sure that once you go in here, they're all different priced. So like Mace Windu, I believe, is like $129. I'm pretty sure you pay $129 just for the hilt. I don't think it comes with the blade. I think you have to pay an extra like $30 just for the blade. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I'm pretty sure that's how it's working. He's looking at Ahsoka Tano's lightsabers. So I think he's going with Ahsoka. Yeah, he's going with Ahsoka Tano. See, he's got the hilt in the box. There's no way that there's a blade in there. It's impossible. Step 2, choose your accessories. This is optional, meaning it's optional. You don't have to. I'm guessing it costs more to buy a blade, and of course it's going to cost more to buy a display and a lightsaber belt clip and stuff like that. Step 3, go outside to pay. So it's ridiculous. I don't understand. If the droid depot can be open after this whole thing, after they've reopened the park, and they're not worried about it, then why is this an issue? It shouldn't be an issue. Thank you for watching.
Don't forget to like.
Okay. Anyway, it should not be this much of an issue. I know that it was people were thinking, oh, they closed it because of social distancing. That's not necessarily true. They closed it because of the Actors Equity Union and Disney having a dispute about having testing located on park property, which went on for a while. That's why they didn't have any actors at the parks. And now they've come to, an agreement to where Disney now has these testing on site. So I talked to a cast member, and he said that the Kimbies, I believe is what they're, the character that helps you build the lightsaber. He said that they were returning, but they didn't know when. And then he said that it would take about a week or two for rehearsals. And then he went on to say that he would expect it to open no less than 3 weeks at a minimum. So I'm kind of hoping this is true, considering I have I'm watching for September to late September, early October. Bring this back. It would not be hard. Droid Depot is so much more physical, even if you think about it, because at Savi's, the only people that are touching the parts are you and the cast members. And I would feel pretty safe with that. At the Droid Depot, I wouldn't feel necessarily too safe because everyone is handling these droid parts. They're on this conveyor belt, and everyone is handling them. So many people are handling these things. Now, there's no way that they're like going through and sanitizing every single droid part. There's no way they're doing that. It just doesn't make any sense. Bring this back. We need Savi's Workshop to return to its formal glory. We need it. It has to happen. Come on, Disney. Make this happen. It would not be hard to add some social distancing markers. Instead of letting, the full capacity in at one time, half that for each show or ceremony, and put up some plexiglass, and that would be fine. And I understand that, the actors and the other cast members in Savi's will help you build your saber. Instead of having them be hands-on with you, let them just hold a saber up and show you how to, assemble it. It wouldn't really take that much. I mean, so everyone's acting like they need to do this and they need to do that. I understand that they're going through a lot. Disney's doing a lot. They've done way more than they thought they should have. They would have to do. But we need this back. Come on, bring back Savi's. Hashtag save Savi. Hashtag bring back the magic. Use these hashtags. Maybe we can get this out to them, and Disney will see enough people want this to return, and they'll bring it back. I don't see them just keeping it legacy lightsabers only for the rest of the time. I don't see that really being a thing. So, thanks you guys for watching. Leave your thoughts and comments down below. Make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share this video to other Disney fans and Star Wars fans. Maybe we can get things back on track. So, thank you for watching. Stay safe out there. Things are hectic. So, stay safe. Thank you guys.